Well guys, sorry about that. I lost some of the video footage of me taking off, but as you guys just saw in the slow-mo, we're cleaning up to put in a thermostat because for some reason somebody had the thermostat out and they went ahead and they put in what I've heard as recalled as a restrictor. It slows the water down so it cools it off in the radiator, but it never builds heat. So we're having a small issue with the 48. We're actually, it won't get up to temperature, so it's got to run at least 150. Right now it's been running cooler than 130, which everybody's like, oh, you don't need to worry about it. Well, in Florida, you're right, normally you don't have to, but certain motors require a certain amount of heat. Well, this motor is that motor. So we're going to get back to work and do the rest of the install. Well guys, we've got the water neck back on, we've got the old water neck off and thermostat in. Next thing to do is go ahead and fill it up full of antifreeze and go from there. Let's see what happens. Okay, last step is to pour the antifreeze in. Filling it up, make sure we tilt it sideways so you don't spill it everywhere.